Oke guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Iqbal Sabit Lazmi, and I study it in programmer major at IDN Polytechnic in Jonggol, Java, and I will explain you to this change about front end, back end, and API. Okay, guys. Let's start. Before that, this is my bio. My name is Muhammad Iqbal. You can call me Iqbal or Sabit. Oh no, my friend, his name is Sabit. You can call me Iqbal, just Iqbal. Okay, and I'm from Madiun, S Java. I I was born there in February 5th, in 2002. Okay, firstly, we will listen about 10 or 15 minutes about front end, back end, and API. Okay, guys. Back end and front end. We will explain and discuss about back end and front end first, and we will discuss about API after that. After we clear discussing about front end and back end. Okay, guys. Front end and back end develop, uh, who is the field of work. We what the big office industry need that, because now we live in technology era, in industry of technology 4.0. And we know that all of thing that we need is technology. There are endpoint, mobile phone, laptop, and Internet of Things like smart home. That smart home is using internet technology in in all of their stuff in their house. Uh, we not discuss about Internet of Things or every or anymore, but we will discuss front end and back end globally. So there are uh, there are two set of programmer, the front end and back end. Okay, let's no, the front end and back end is different, not same. Maybe you think front end and back end is the same thing and same work, but the job is different. It's very different. Okay, let's let's enter the first material. Oh no, sorry, front end developer. What is a front end developer? Okay, this is the definition. I make it simple. I mean, front end developer definition simple. Inshallah, you will understand after you read that. Okay, definition of front-end developer is people or developer who make a website interface from UI UX designer and convert it in into website by programming language. Okay, let me let's make it simple. Front-end developer will work together with UI UX develop no, UI UX designer before before front end developer make the website. They will uh what ask will ask to designer UI UX designer the to make the prototype or design of website they will make, or startup or office will need firstly absolutely will ask to UI UX designer. But uh, in okay guys, sorry, uh, but in some of company need a full stack front end developer. I mean, the front end developer must understand and yeah, be able to make the website design, because maybe the company is still in down in the bottom, or we can call them startup. Then the front end will be UI UX designer too. Okay, but is the front end developer not have the art art what okay we is the front end developer need the don't need the art soul, the ability of art. It, the front end is about code and code. No, no, the developer is need to be artistic. The how to make the logic of this website, and how they make it uh so useful by his code, and the client will enjoy the website, and what uh make the website responsive, so that they need the art soul, the artistic, not in about code and black and white screen. No, no, don't think about that. Don't think like that. Change your mindset. The programmer is need art too. Okay, good. Uh, okay. Sorry. Okay, the front end must be able to mastery that there is three language program programming language. I'm sorry, programming language. There is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, guys. Uh, so simply. like that. HTML HTML is to make the body of the website. CSS is for model, designing the website like color and position and navbar. They need the website need design too, but the design for the website is CSS. Okay, and we need JS. What is JS? JS is JavaScript. JavaScript is language. They make the website is what responsive for client for user. That then the user is make comfortable to access our website. They need JavaScript. Okay, guys. We next to second developer, he is backend. Backend developer. Which the backend developer? Backend developer is people or developer maintaining the database of website and responsible for storing client data. Okay. In the front end developer is developing and making website design and uh, what converting the design from UI UX designer to website design. And now big backend is developer making the data and responsible for storing the data. Okay, before that, I will explain you what's the language mastering the backend developer. Backend developer is hmm, backend developer need PHP, Python, and C++, and other the language I cannot explain now. Okay, maybe you think what's the difference between back end and front end? Okay, now I will explain you about back end and front end different between front end and back end. Okay, first, okay, pen this. We we will example that this with restaurant. Okay, restaurant. The restaurant, of course, need client. Okay, client. And client read the menu. Read the menu. There is fried rice, there is meatball and steak and whatever, many other thing. And client, of course, not just read the menu, but we what but he they order the menu too, and the front end is making this menu, uh, and back end is the chef in the restaurant. Okay, the chef in the restaurant is back end. I'm sorry, they make the food and cook that and serve to what and serve it to waiters to send the food for client. Okay, there is the back end is safe. Or other example. Okay, I will erase this. Wait, wait a minute. I will erase all of them and I will make some example. In this car factory, car factory, car factory, there is a develop or employee that the engine make the engine to running the car or yes the car engine he making the engine how we how they will running and normally run in the road and not be maintained every time and there is employee arrange the machine and body to be car. Okay, simply like that. The employee they making or designing the machine and make the machine or engine running the okay like that and the front end developer is who making who make and arrange the engine and body to uh, car car model yes who and injecting the lamp and the machine and the tires and making the perfect car. That is the front end and back end is making the engine and make it running the car. Okay, I hope you understand my explanation. I hope. Okay, there one API. Okay, I'm sorry. I have pores in my mouth. Uh, API. I'm I I don't make the slide yet because I forget that API is the bridge to API is the bridge to connect the website to database to that website to the database and what to other platform. Okay, like that. The API is this. The API is this. There is website and Android program, Android application, Android application. I embrace to that AA and web and one more is iOS. Okay. I think no, the API is platform or application to connect this Android application, iOS application, and web website to one database. The 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 API is bridge bridge to connect all of the application to one database here. And API make you not make the new language or new platform to connect to other program. Just one just one rules or code that make your application connect connect to your database. Okay, I think this is my final presentation. Sorry for my explanation is too bad or anymore, but thank you. This is my effort. This is what I can. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you for watching my explanation and this video. See you in other explanation. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.